morning, Barry Wilson, Wilson Auto Repair. Just a real quick tip that I find really amazing that a lot of people do not know about their older car, and that has to do with changing the oil. So we've got a couple of round body or early 50s and 49 Chevrolet pickups here. This little baby right here needs an oil change. We fixed a valve cover gasket leak, but now we're changing the oil, and guess what? You have to add zinc to these engines in order to make them last. If you don't put zinc in there when you do an oil change, that motor won't last. The camshaft's going to roll flat and you're going to lose an engine. So here's the trick. Put your oil in there. And we put oil in that's supposed to have zinc in it, but I don't trust any of that stuff anymore. So put a little bottle of zinc in there to go with it, but don't add the zinc till after you finish changing the oil and start the engine so it'll mix up well. Otherwise, it'll lay at the bottom of the pan. Hope that's helpful. Remember, zinc with an old engine oil, older engine. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto. Go to my website for more information, wilsonauto.com.